Jazz Brush president, David Rodrigues. Call him the Jazz Man, all right? Keep it easy. All right, give us a rundown on what it is that Jazz Brush does.
Well, we're a third-generation family-owned business. Our factory is actually in Spain, and we came over here about 22 years ago. I've been running the subsidiary for the last 21 years, and we don't look back. We take wire brushes to the next level. It's not the same old Me Too. There's some unique things in our product, from color coding. Carbon brush are red, stainless steel is blue. Everything is identified on there. We've added our range of flap discs and flap wheels as well, with the full gamut of the wire brushes. Our claim to fame, though, is service. We ship all orders same day. You place an order by 3 o'clock Eastern time, it ships out, and all orders are free freight, and there's no minimum order. People say that we ship the product too fast because sometimes they want to call and add to the order, and we laugh and we say, that order's gone, but we'll be glad to ship you another order today. And we just have a lot of fun, and 10 out of 10 Jazz distributors grow their business because this gives you a competitive edge in the marketplace. And last year was a record year, and this year we're up 40% over last year, so that speaks for itself.
Wowza. How did you hear of GAWDA? Because this is your first show, right?
This is the first show, so we've always known about GAWDA, and we bump into Andrea at the FabTech show and at some buying group meetings, and she put me over the edge and said, we need to see what it's all about. We happened to pick the one that was in Hawaii for the first one to go to. Yeah, not a bad move. And selling wire brushes in Hawaii, it doesn't get any better than that. This is I've died and gone to heaven. It's a dream come true. So we're very happy with the investment that we've made in this organization, and everybody has been super, super nice.
Excellent. Well, there you have it. A quick update here from Jazz Brush. Thank you, David, for coming and showing up.
Awesome.
And hope to see you at future shows.